In this video, you're going to learn verbs, not from some textbook, but from real actions caught on camera. I've compiled a few videos, a few clips for you. Every clip has one job, to show you exactly how certain verbs are used in sentences. You will understand what verbs are used and how they're used in different contexts. So you will understand how to use those words in your sentences when it's your turn to make sentences in your real life, in your day-to-day life, okay? So I will play the video, you will watch it, and I will describe the video. I will focus mainly on verbs so that you understand how certain actions, how certain verbs are used in sentences. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Can you see him? He tosses the ball upward. He tosses the ball upward. You toss something. You throw it lightly, not with a lot of force. He tosses the ball upward. He strikes the ball. He strikes the ball. He hits the ball with a little force. He strikes the ball. He tosses the ball. He strikes the ball. See, the ball is tossed toward him. The ball is tossed toward him. We have used the passive voice here because someone has tossed the ball toward him. So the ball is tossed toward him. He catches the ball. He catches the ball and he throws it back. He throws the ball back. He throws the ball back and he returns to a relaxed stance. He returns to a relaxed stance. Stance is the way someone stands. So he returns to a relaxed stance. They walk side by side. They walk side by side and they descend the steps. They descend the steps, or you can say they walk down the steps. They descend the steps, they walk down the steps. They stand side by side. They are protesting. They are protesting. They are fighting against something. They don't like something. They oppose something. Something is happening, but they don't like it. So they protest against it. They are protesting. They raise their fists. They raise their fists together. They raise their fists together. This is a fist. So they are raising their fists. They raise their fists together. They are protesting. Now you see a man wearing sneakers and he jogs down the pavement. So jogging is walking slowly at a steady pace. So he jogs down the pavement. So this side of the road is referred to as a pavement, or you can even refer to it as a sidewalk. It's a sidewalk. So he jogs down the sidewalk or he jogs down the pavement. Okay. Oh, so maybe it's morning and he wants to stay fit. So he's jogging here. He jogs down the pavement as he moves away from the camera. Now you see a basketball player and you see the basketball. He dribbles the ball. So this is called dribbling the ball. This activity is called dribbling the ball. When you move along with the ball, okay, you keep letting it fall and it keeps bouncing off the ground. It comes back to you. That's known as dribbling the ball. You are dribbling the ball and you move along with the ball. You move it across the floor while you do this action of constantly letting it off your hands. So you dribble the ball. So he dribbles the ball and he performs a layup. He performs a layup. When there's no one around you and it's pretty easy for you to throw the ball and it drops right through the hoop. This ring is also known as hoop. It's a hoop. And then you see the net attached to it. This whole thing is the basket. So the ball drops through the basket or it drops through the hoop. Okay. And it falls down, it bounces off the ground. And now you see a tennis player and he tosses the ball high into the air and he strikes it with his racket. Okay, he strikes it with his racket and he hits it again. The ball comes back to him. He strikes the ball with his racket again and he keeps on doing it. He smiles briefly. He smiles briefly. This means he doesn't smile for a long time. He just gives us a small smile and his expression goes back to normal. His facial expression goes back to normal. Now you see a couple and they pose for selfies. Now the woman raises her arm high in the air and the man smiles and he takes a picture. He clicks a picture and he kisses the woman and the woman sticks out her tongue. The woman sticks out her tongue. The woman tilts her head a little and now the woman flashes a peace sign. This is a peace sign. The woman flashes a peace sign and now both of them pucker their lips. They pucker their lips. The man The man just, I can also say the man just wrapped his arm around the woman's waist, and now both of them pucker their lips. They pucker their lips. Now what you can do is go back, pause on each clip and say the sentence out loud. That's how vocabulary sticks. That's how you can remember the words that you practice using. Okay. And make sure that you use these words in your day-to-day life so that you remember them. Unless you use a word, you soon forget about it. So if you don't want to forget a word that you learn, remember to use it in your sentences. If you want to keep improving your English in the same manner, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will talk in the next one. Till then, take care and bye.